you now have the ability to access GPTs for completely free on your ChatGPT account. In today's video, I'm going to showcase how we get access to the GPT store on our free account. Furthermore, if you have a ChatGPT account and you're not seeing it, I have some possible solutions for you. Let's go ahead and jump into today's video. Welcome back, y'all. In this video, we're going to be checking out a new feature that got released by OpenAI, which gives every single user of ChatGPT the ability to start using GPTs. In this video, I'm going to say GPT a lot, so get ready. GPT. From their newsletter, we got a notification that says over 100 million active users now have the ability to access the GPT store, which is super exciting here. So let's go ahead and figure out how we do it. In order to access the GPT store, it's actually pretty simple. Simply go to chatgpt.com, which I'll leave in the description down below. Click the button saying sign up and simply sign up. Either use your email, Google, Microsoft, or Apple. Once you've signed up, all you need to do is log into your account, come over to this little sidebar here and hit explore GPTs. Now, some of you might not see that option. So solution number one is I'm going to go ahead and leave a GPT I use personally on my workloads called PDF Reader. I made it myself in the description down below. Make sure you're signed into chatgpt.com, click the link, and then it should give you the ability to start conversating with this specific GPT. Alternatively, go to the URL in your browser and add /GPTs and see if that works. Perfect. Now that you have access, let's understand the limitations. First major one that I've been getting a lot in the comments is that you have very limited chats with the highest level model that ChatGPT currently offers, which is GPT-4o. Second one, which may be a big deal or not, which is your ability to actually create GPTs, you need to have a Plus account. Now, if you're like, Corbin, I don't even know what a GPT is. How do I create them? Why would I care? Check out this playlist right here, and I'm going to leave it at the end as well. This goes over everything you need to know about GPTs, creating custom GPTs, accessing different data from outside of ChatGPT. Everything above the board when it comes to how to leverage this store can be found in that playlist. And as a quick side note, that GPT I'm leaving in the description down below is pretty powerful, as any other GPT that helps you analyze and research PDFs or any type of file is going to charge you money. This is free, so a nice little freebie. That is it, though. Everyone has access now. We have completely opened the doors when it comes to the GPT store. One thing I want to note as well is that supposedly if you create GPTs on this store and you get a ton of traffic, you can make money. They have like a builder revenue program, which hasn't really disclosed a lot of information of how much you can make. But what I can tell you is that from my personal GPT that has over 100K chats, I'll let y'all know how much money I make off that to see if it's even worthwhile. So make sure to subscribe for that. Make sure you leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video. This playlist right here goes over everything you need to know about GPTs. It's over 30 videos long. That is a random video based off your clicks. Could be good, could be bad. That's my face. I'll see you in the next video.